This episode of Love Larn is sponsored by Mowpartsoz.
Welcome back, everybody. You're watching Love Larn, and I'm your host, Michael. You're back here for the second drawing of the gold clutch. Charlotte, if you will, please. 22 karat plated gold clutch, courtesy of Mowpartsoz. Thank you, George, for tonight's prize. As mentioned, this is the second drawing because the winner of the first drawing did not come forward within 2 days. So we will be drawing the gold clutch again this evening. And you will once again have 2 days, and only 2 days, to claim your prize if you are the lucky winner. If your invoice number for a purchase from Mowpartsoz starts with either a 4 or a 5, you are in the winning to take home the gold clutch. We're going to get the wheel up in a minute, go through the same thing we did for the first drawing, and choose a winner basically. So 2 days to claim your prize. Very important, remember to subscribe to the channel, youtube.com/lovelarn, and ring the notification bell to receive notifications as new videos are released so that you don't miss out on this sort of thing. So subscribe, ring the notification bell, and tap all. Very important. I think we're almost ready. There is, if you don't win tonight, there is a discount code available for purchases from Mowpartsoz, which entitle you to 10% off clutch kits, drive shafts, thrust pads, and clutch cones. We'll share those details with you at the end of the video. For now, let's go on with the spinning, shall we? Should we do it? Are we ready?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Spin to win.
All right, we've got the wheel on the screen. We are ready to play Spin to Win. As mentioned, we need either a 4 or a 5 to start us off. If you've made a purchase from mowpartsoz.com.au in recent months, your invoice number will start with either a 4 or a 5. When you purchase from Mowpartsoz, you'll receive an email invoice, and on that invoice, you'll find your invoice number. That is the number that you need to win. So make sure you've got that handy. Guys, we're going to spin this wheel until we start with either a 4 or a 5, and if we end up on a 5, we're also limited by our invoice number, so we're going to keep going. So let's see if we need to warm up this wheel and see if we get started. Shall we go? Are we ready? Yeah. Subscribe. Here we go. First spin. What is it going to be? We need either a 4 or a 5. And it looks like it's going to be close. Looks like we've got a 5. How exciting. It's a 5. Should we do a second spin? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Second spin. Now we are limited by our invoice number range here, so we do need either a 1, a 2, or a 3. All right. Looks like it's going to be none of those, so we'll spin it again. See if we get... It's an 8, of course. All right, here we go again. What's it going to be this time, ladies and gentlemen? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you rung the notification bell and clicked on all to receive notifications for all videos released on Love Larn? What have we got? We are in the running, ladies and gentlemen. So our numbers so far: 5, 2. Is that your invoice number?
No.
No? You? No? You? I don't know. All right, we are good to go. Let's keep going, ladies and gentlemen. Shall we go again? Third spin, let's do it. All right, so our first number is 5, our second number is 2. We're on to our third number. This is your invoice number from mowpartsoz.com.au to win the 22 karat gold clutch. What have we got? Ooh, it's a very close one, but it's a 7. So our number is so far 5, 2, 7. Fourth and final number, sorry. Let's go. Are we ready? This is to win the gold clutch. Here we go. You'll have 2 days, and only 2 days, to claim your prize. If you don't claim the prize, we'll be back here drawing again. So don't delay, get on it. And it looks like we've got a, what's the number? 4. 5, 2, 7, 4. Nice. Winning invoice number. So get your invoices out, check the invoice numbers, get in touch with us via email, messenger, Instagram, YouTube comments, whatever. Just send us a message via carrier pigeon, whatever's going to work best for you to let us know you've won. Try multiple channels if you need to, just to make sure you're getting through. Lots of excitement about this one, guys. Really excited to have been able to draw it again. So I hope everyone who wanted to be part of the drawing tonight got their orders in, and I hope someone's going to be able to take this thing home, because it's a lot of fun, but we do want to wrap it up. We want to make someone the proud owner of the gold clutch and see what you guys do with it. So let's see, anything else? Discount code, 10% off at mowpartsoz.com.au, at mowpartsoz.com.au on clutch kits, dryer shafts, thrust pads, and clutch cones. The discount code that you need is SBRGlenn10. Thank you to George for the gold clutch, for the discount code, and Glenn Russell from Scott Bonnar Restorations for supporting the competition as well. Is there anything else that we need to add? What's our winning invoice number?
5274.
5274. Good luck, guys. We'll see you next time, hopefully to announce the winner. You've got 2 days to claim your prize, so don't delay. Good luck.